Today we're making a ginger and scallion chicken stir fry, a super quick easy dish that's ultra flavorful. I love ginger and this one is just bursting with delicious gingerness, so let's go. First, let's marinate our chicken. I have here chicken breasts cubed. Cut it however way you like, to be honest. And to that, we are first adding some ginger, of course. I'm pulling out my trusty grater and grating the ginger in, but you can also puree the ginger, or if you have a mad knife cutting skills, then mince your ginger up really finely. That would work as well. Light soy sauce goes in next. Some ground white pepper, and finally cornstarch. Give that a mix and keep it to one side to marinate, not for too long, maybe just about 15 minutes or while you prepare all of these other ingredients. Next, let's prepare our seasoning sauce bowl of efficiency. First, we are adding some oyster sauce. And then a dark soy sauce. This is going to give it a really nice caramelized color. Light soy sauce, sugar. I'm using brown sugar here, but you can also just use regular or white sugar. And now I'm adding some chicken stock here, but no worries, you can also just use water. And you want to give all of that a nice stir before adding some cornstarch in, and this will really help to thicken the sauce up later on. Okay, let's cook. In a pan, add some cooking oil. Once hot, we are adding some sliced ginger, the bottoms of scallions or spring onions, so just the thicker white portions, and some minced garlic. Give that a saute just until it smells good, and then add in the marinated chicken. Give that a quick stir fry, and then we are going to let the chicken cook. Basically, just let it sear on one side, don't touch it, don't mess with it, and then flip it to the other side to complete the cooking process. This should be pretty quick though, about 10 minutes depending on how small you've cut up your chicken pieces. And then we add in our sauce bowl of efficiency. Stir through, and you want to let this get all nice and bubbly and thick. I also like to add in sesame oil, but this is totally optional. We are almost done. And finally, add in the green portions of the spring onions or scallions. And you are officially done. That was super quick and really delicious, and I really just love all of that gorgeous ginger flavor. And that ginger sauce, it also goes so well when served over some rice. So I hope that you give this a quick go, and a goodbye.